Okay, this is called a walking pad. You can get this on Amazon. And it's very straightforward and basic. There's nothing special to this. It's a treadmill for your house. Okay, this is what you do. You plug this in. All right, plug that back in. Like that. Here's a switch. All right. Bear with me here. What I do is I press this. What mode do you want to go on? Timer, run, or no, hold on. Mile, calories. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 30 minutes, but I'm not gonna be on it for 30 minutes. I'm gonna demonstrate. Okay, this is the slowest speed is 6. It's a little noisy. 8 mile, not 8 mile, 1 mile an hour. 2. Here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Let me get off of it real quick so I can show you how fast this thing really gets. Alright. This is how fast it'll go. Watch this shit. There we go. Look how fast this thing goes. 6.2 miles an hour. Look at that. And to cancel it, just there it goes. Bye-bye. Turning off. Be careful with this. You can get hurt on this if you're not careful. And this is for your phone, but you can just put it there and that's it. If you don't have to go to the gym, you could just use this for a treadmill.